Eric, and I come from First Fiber Technology Company in China. Today I want to introduce our new OTDR. It is a smart OTDR. As you can see, the OTDR is covered by a protection case. Now I just want to make a small demo video to make you to give you a general idea about the OTDR. To make you see it clearly, I take the cover off from the OTDR. Now I turn on the OTDR. As you can see, the OTDR also comes with VFL, optical power meter, optical light source. So it is a 4-in-1 device. It is very useful for your daily work. The OTDR is with a high resolution screen. And now I have two fiber rails. One is 1 kilometer and the other is 2 kilometer. So the total is 3 kilometers. And these two rails are connected by adapter. By a SC adapter. Now I want to plug the FC connector into the OTDR. I want to see the connector also can be with the SC. You can change it by yourself very easily. Okay, now I click the OTDR. You can use your finger to touch the screen or use the keyboard. Now I press the OTDR button, and now I press test. You can press test or press F4. The OTDR is very quickly to make the test. Yes, you can see it have finished. But I just now I forgot to change the range, so it is very small, not looks very good. So I change the parameters now and make the range. Make the range to 5 kilometers. To 5 kilometers. Okay, I test again. Yes, it finished very quickly in about 3 or 4 seconds. You can see the OTDR curves is very good. You can see the words on the screen, and as you see, it is it is with two spans. The first is about 2 kilometers, second is about 1 kilometers, so totally is about 3 kilometers. And you also can see the OTDR displays the attenuation value. Okay. As I see, the OTDR is very the test result is very in high resolution. But we cannot find it from this curve because there is no splicing point. So I will change to my previous previous testing results. Okay, and you can see there in this curves there are attenuation events. It is very small, but it can show and it can find by the OTDR. Okay, and this is the OTDR main function. You also can export the OTDR curves into your computer. You can find a PC software in our USB disk that is comes with the OTDR, and you can use it to print OTDR test result. And now we can see the VFL function. Continue wave of 2HZ1SZ. We can press F1 to on, F3, F4. Okay, and optical power meter. The optical power meter is with 6 wavelengths. It is a very stable optical power meter. And optical lighter source. Optical lighter source shares one optical port with OTDR. And the optical lighter source is also very stable, and it is much better than normal other optical lighter source. Okay, this is a setting, regulation, or something else. I just want to give you a general idea about the OTDR, so I will not say more details. You may find our parameters from our sales representative. Okay. I just say so much. Thank you. Bye bye.